I am Daniel. Hi, I am Rachel B. Dicano. Hi, I am Neil Andres M. Mancia. Hi, I am Rodrigo M. Rivera. Hi, I am Ryan. Hi, I am John Roy Etel. Hi, I am Marty Flores. I am vena cava, blood that are circulated to the body, which has lost its oxygen and collect carbon dioxide. And personally, I will pump the blood into the right atrium. I am the right atrium. I will pump the blood through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle.
I am the right ventricle. I will pump the blood through the pulmonary artery into the lung.
Hi, I am capillaries. I absorb carbon dioxide and separate it with oxygen. Hi, I am the oxygen. I will go with the blood into the lung. Hi, I am the blood. Me and oxygen will enter to the pulmonary vein through left atrium. Hi, I am pulmonary vein. Into the right left ventricle. Hi, I am the oxygenated blood or blood without oxygen will return to the heart. Hi, I am aorta. The blood will go out through me.
Subukan mong pigilan, di ka gaganaan. Dapat all the way para matutunan. Sige, subukan mo, sige, subukan mo. Huwag mong intindihin ang nanonood sa'yo. Huwag ikahiya kung kayo'y mataba. Sa mga payat, huwag nang mabahala. Madalas ka ba na